Welcome to the topic today, creating decision task. So in the session level properties, we are going for the decision task. Now look at the execution point and we discuss about this. So go to the workflow designer. Here earlier we seen assignment operator. Now we go for the decision task. So take decision task here and we will point this to what the decision task do here. It depends on the decision. The connected sessions will be executed. Now we here connect with the link task here, and this one also we connect with the link task, and this one also we connect with the link task. So here we are giving the condition in the decision task, that is uh, going for the properties and decision name. Going for the values, here we give here sysdate equal to last underscore day of sysdate. Okay, apply. Okay, we are giving the condition is that when the last day and means month ending, the we have to execute this workflow. Remaining days we have to execute this session task, this work, this flow. Here we give in the link task, we give the condition here, condition equal to true. So if that last day becomes, when the last day of the month, when it get, so this becomes true, then the remaining connected task will be executed. Click on OK and we given the decision. We click on save, start workflow. Now see here, first this is executed, then it went to the decision task and it came to here and it executed. So if we give here that instead of this true, we are given false. Okay, now we are giving this condition as true, equal to true, valid. Okay, now what happens, see, go to the start workflow. Now it executes first and going to this and executing this scd2 version. Okay, then again executed assignment. Okay, like this we'll execute by using the decision tasks. Okay, please subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you.